Yeah, so therefore the recommendation and the entire report of the committee has been submitted. We will be going through that committee report and then we will be taking it up in the cabinet next. Only once we take it up in the cabinet will we come to a decision how to move forward. But finally, the committee has done a lot of work and a lot of hard work has gone in. I must congratulate the Deputy Chief Minister and the other members of this committee who have really worked very hard and put this committee in this put this report in after a lot of long hours being put into the study and reports to be prepared. And now, as I said, the cabinet will sit, will go through the entire process of going through the suggestions and take necessary steps based on the suggestions given. In about a few weeks' time, in the next cabinet, whenever we meet, maybe next or next to next cabinet, because the government also, the political department also, will be going through that report first. And then, as I said, we will ask as members of the committee to present it in the cabinet, and then we'll decide on how to move forward.